Welcome to our special series, The Importance of Intergenerational Connections. Through simple stories of love, learning, and shared wisdom, we celebrate the beautiful bond between young and old. Come, let's journey together, one story at a time. Story 1. The Old Tree and the Sapling. In a quiet little village, far away from the noise and rush of the world, there stood a magnificent banyan tree. Its trunk was thick and strong, its roots ran deep into the earth, and its branches spread wide, offering shade and comfort to all who passed by. Beside this grand old tree, a young sapling had just begun its life. It was small, delicate, and full of dreams. Every morning, as the golden sun rose over the fields, the little sapling would look up at the great banyan tree with wide-eyed wonder. How wonderful it must be, thought the sapling, to be so strong, so tall, so wise. The old tree, sensing the admiration of the young one, would gently rustle its leaves in a whisper, as if smiling at the little dreamer. Seasons changed. Soft rains, harsh summers, gentle breezes, and biting winds all came and went. The old tree stood steady through them all, while the sapling swayed and bent with every gust, trying its best to stand tall. Then one day, dark clouds filled the sky. A fierce storm rolled over the village, bringing with it wild winds and heavy rains. The little sapling shivered with fear. Its tender stem shook. It felt like it would be ripped from the ground and tossed away. Just when it seemed the sapling could hold no longer, something beautiful happened. The old banyan tree, strong and steady, stretched its wide branches outward, shielding the sapling from the worst of the storm. Under the protective cover of the great tree, the sapling felt safe, held, and deeply comforted. Hours later, when the storm finally passed and the sky cleared once again, the little sapling looked up at the old tree with tears in its tiny leaves. In a soft, trembling voice, it asked, "How did you stay so strong through all this?" The old tree, in its deep, kind voice, replied, "Time, little one, patience, and deep, deep roots. That's the secret. It's not just standing tall when the sun shines, but learning to stay grounded when the storms come." The little sapling listened carefully, letting those wise words sink into its very soul. When young hearts connect with the wisdom of the old, they don't just grow. They grow stronger, braver, and deeply rooted, ready to face any storm life may bring. Thank you for being part of this journey. May the bonds of love and wisdom grow stronger with each generation. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Stay connected, stay inspired. Thank you.